Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Corporate Bitcoin holdings nears $85 billion, more than doubling in a year. The latest numbers from Binance Research are in, and they're making headlines. $85 billion in corporate Bitcoin holdings. That's nearly 100,000 Bitcoins added since early April alone. Now that's a dramatic rise, from just 312,200 BTC held by corporate treasuries last year. And it looks like the trend is here to stay. So what's driving this surge? Well, it's not just about rising prices, although those certainly don't hurt. A mix of structural tailwinds and policy changes are also at play. Take, for example, Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance during his 2024 presidential campaign. He vowed to make the U.S. a global hub for crypto and create a crypto capital of the planet. Since he took office, we've seen him establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a U.S. digital asset stockpile. And it's not just the U.S., the Securities and Exchange Commission has dropped numerous lawsuits against major crypto firms. That's got to be music to the ears of investors looking to get in on the action. Binance's report shows that Bitcoin treasury accumulation grew in November, when Trump won the election, a clear win for crypto. Now, you might be wondering what this means for the rest of us. Well, it looks like companies are getting more comfortable with holding onto Bitcoin and other assets. GameStop and PSG have recently started accumulating ETH and Solana, but Strategy still holds the lion's share of BTC in corporate treasuries, over 70% of holdings. And while we're on altcoins, Binance notes that these newer entrants are often tied to firms trying to rebrand as token-forward entities. SharpLink, for example, holds $425 million in ETH. But despite their growing presence, these altcoin holdings remain relatively small compared to BTC. But here's the thing, we're not just seeing a rise in corporate Bitcoin holdings. We're also seeing a rapid rise of tokenized real-world assets, which have climbed more than 260% from $8.6 billion to $23 billion this year. That's a staggering growth rate, and it shows no signs of slowing down. So what does this mean for the future of crypto? One thing is certain, corporate America is taking notice and getting in on the action. And with companies like SharpLink and DeFi Development betting on Solana, it looks like we're just scratching the surface of a new era in crypto investment. That's all for now from Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of cryptocurrency.